Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back on my YouTube channel, theamanedge. So guys, today I'll discuss about multiple hiring opportunities. So you can see here, firstly I'll discuss about junior associate engineer. Then I'll discuss about associate software engineer. After that I'll discuss about junior application developer. Then discuss about analyst role. Then discuss about junior engineer role. Then at the end, I'll discuss about internship program by Internsala. So before discussing all of these opportunities, you can see here, guys, this is my channel. So if you didn't subscribe it yet, so please subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon for new videos notification. And this is my LinkedIn ID, so please follow me here. And this is my Insta ID, so you can follow me here. I'll provide all the links in description box. So now we will discuss about. You can see here. This is the location, Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay, work type preference, you can see here regular, permanent, job, family engineering. This is the apply now button. So for apply, click over the apply now, then scroll down and you can see here description and requirements. So Java and FE developers with a strong, okay, then multiple points mentioned by company. So you can see here and read it. Work with developers to design algos and flowcharts, produce clean efficient code based and specification. Okay, then scroll down and you can see here Java, Java Bean, Java applets, Java servlet, JavaScript. Okay, so you should have knowledge about Java, JavaScript and web based technology. Okay, so you can see here an entry-level React developer's role involves utilizing fundamental knowledge of React.js. So read all the information carefully. This is the Gmail ID of company, okay? So if you have any type of query, any type of doubt, then you can mail to company over this on this Gmail ID, okay? So don't miss this opportunity. Apply for this job. I'll provide the link in description box. You can apply from there. Then I'll discuss about associate software engineer location Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Okay. Then scroll down. Many point mentioned here. So read all the points carefully. Then scroll down. You can see here many more information. Then apply for this job. Also click over the apply now button. Okay. Then you can see here junior application developer location is also Bangalore. Work mode is hybrid. Okay, this is the JD part. So read all the information. Okay, job title you can see here, and this is the entry level job, 0 to 2 year of experience. Application developer for front end technology, you can see here front end development using PHP, Core Java, JSP Servlet and Oracle CI/CD pipelines. So if you are fresher, then you are eligible, and if you have 2 years of experience, then you are also eligible for apply this role. Then this is the key responsibilities. Okay, then qualification you can see here bachelor or master degree in computer science and engineering, basic understanding on HTML, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript, JSP servlet, SQL and PL SQL, communication skills, problem solving skills. Okay, you should have. So then apply for this job also. I'll provide the link in description box. Then you can see here analyst role. So explore the information and then read all the information carefully, then apply for the job also. I'll provide this link also in description box. Then you can see here junior engineer profile, location Pune, posted date here, application deadline date is not mentioned. This is the information provided by company. Okay, skills you can read here, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Okay, oops, automated API testing. Okay, Java strongly preferred, qualification BE, BTech, MCA fresher. Okay, pursue career in QE testing. Okay guys, so apply for this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. Then at the end I'll discuss about internship program by Internsala. So you can see here this is the location Noida, a stipend 10,000 per month, duration 3 months, a start date immediately. Okay, about the internship, so read all the points carefully, then scroll down. You can see here multiple internship available here. So go through all the recruitment, okay, all the recruitment internship program, and if you are eligible, then you should apply for this internship. Don't miss this opportunity if you are fresher. So I'll provide all the links in description box. You can apply from there. So that's all about today video. So if this video is really helpful for you, So please like this video, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon for new videos notification. Till then, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in next video.